Hello everyone, welcome to my English class. And today we are going to produce a writing. It might come to your mind how to make creative and good writing. A good writing is determined by many factors. One of them is writing strategy. P.O.W.E.R strategy will guide you to be an independent writer through several stages, namely plan, organize, write, edit, and revise. Plan. This stage includes preparation activities and development of some ideas or background experience. It also discusses the basic format and type of writing and the steps needed to complete the task. Organize. This step is organizing the ideas in a logical order. The goal of this stage is to identify and describe the parts of the task. You organize your mind idea for each paragraph by making a tree diagram or a mind mapping. Write. Write your paragraph on paper, elaborating the ideas developed in the stage before. It means that you make a text that consists of some paragraphs systematically based on the tree diagram you made before. Edit. Proofread your writing multiple times and each time with a different focus. It means that you have to pay attention to writing aspects such as organization, content, vocabulary, grammar, and mechanics. Revise. The last stage is revising. It is the rewriting phase in which you complete your final draft copy. After you did some editings, you have to rewrite your correcting work in another paper. Still do not know how do you get your idea? Don't worry. Actually, there are many ways you can get your idea for your writing. Read many books, listen to music, any kind of music, watch the movie, any kind of movie you like, and surf the web. Now, here's an example of simple writing with the topic about extreme weather. I want to make a simple paragraph and the topic is an extreme weather and my writing is entitled Terrible Thunderstorm. Look at him. At this stage, he has planned what he wants to write by deciding the topic, title, and writing style. This is the planning stage. After making a plan, you have to make concept maps that can be used to organize your knowledge of a topic and formulate scientific questions. Then, start writing a text that consists of some paragraphs systematically based on the tree diagram in a paper or on your notebook. At this stage, you need to read again your writing and get some help from your friends or teacher to give suggestions of the correct writing. The last stage that you have to do is the writing or correcting work in another paper or worksheet. Voila! Look at that! You've done your writing. It's easy, isn't it? So follow the steps, then you can make a good writing. Now, it's your turn. Let's write. You need to write a paragraph about an extreme weather that you experience in your city or village. It should cover the questions: what, when, where, and why. That's the end of the lesson today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you.